Hello, and thank you for visiting our channel. We are Exodus 31 Designs, and today I invite you to join me in making this two-layer trifold pocket card invitation. Perfect for your mystery dinner party. Wow your guests right from the start with an amazing creative invitation. This project is a two-layer card designed to be cut in two colors. It includes the two layers that make up the trifold pocket card, the belly band and inserts. I've also included a file in the download to cut in a 7 envelope, which is the ideal size for 5 by 7 inches invitations or cards. The inserts and the card itself can be resized based on the materials you have available and the capabilities of your cutting machine. Materials and files. To make this project, you'll need 3 sheets of cardstock, 8.5 by 11 inches or 12 by 12 inches, 80 pounds. For the envelope included in the download, I recommend using 65 pounds paper or cardstock, 12 by 12 inches size. Our downloads include files to set up score lines, as well as files with dotted lines. For the dotted lines, you only need to use the standard cutting blade, whereas for the score lines, you must use a scoring stylus or a scoring wheel tool, configured appropriately in your cutting software, Silhouette Studio or Cricut Design Space. Setting up your file. Once you've loaded your file, follow these steps. Use the file with score lines and decrease the canvas size by 50% so you can view all the elements or layers of the template. Change line functions. Identify the fold lines in the right-hand panel and change their function from cut to score, as you'll see. The layers corresponding to the fold lines now read score. The next step is to ungroup your template. Select each layer along with its corresponding fold or score line and apply the attach command. This must be done 3 times, once for the pocket layer, once for the folder part of the card, and once for the belly band. I've included these inserts in the design. Notice that the insert for the pocket side is a little shorter to differentiate it from the insert for the card's folder side. However, you can resize it in your design space according to your needs. You can even add additional inserts, like printed elements, outside the design space. With these adjustments, our template is now ready to be cut. Click Make It. Cutting your design. On the cutting screen, you'll see that you need to prepare 4 cutting mats. You can also arrange the template elements efficiently to make the most of your materials, as I demonstrate below. Click Continue and choose the cutting settings for this template. I use cardstock for intricate cuts on most of my projects, and I select the scoring tool, in my case, the scoring stylus. Now it's time to cut. As I mentioned at the beginning, I'll use 3 sheets of cardstock, 2 in green and 1 in black for the trifold pocket card, plus a white sheet for the inserts. Cutting recommendations. Use the cardstock for intricate cuts. Setting. Work with 80 pounds cardstock. Ensure you have a cutting mat with good adhesion. Use a very sharp blade for a perfect cut. Optionally, use mirror mode for an even neater cut. Assembling the card. Once all the elements are cut, it's time to assemble your card. Folding. Begin by folding the main layer along the fold line, and use your bone folder to define the crease. Do the same for the pocket side. Fold along its designated lines, using your bone folder to set the creases. Gluing. Apply glue to the tabs. I'm using UHU Universal Glue. Remove any excess glue to prevent smudges. And use the bone folder once again to ensure perfect creases. Next, join the black layer of the pocket side with the green layer. Aligning the edges carefully. Place the inserts inside the card. As mentioned before, you can use these inserts or any other printed design you prefer. Assembling the belly band. Now, assemble the belly band by placing the green layer, which features the question mark element, over the black layer and the smooth side of the magnifying glass element. Then glue the magnifying glass piece, once it's assembled, onto the belly band. Fold along the lines and refine the creases with your bone folder. Finally, position the belly band around the card. Apply glue to the tab and press firmly. In this way, your trifold pocket card is complete. I'll leave the rest to your creativity. Feel free to personalize your card to suit your event. Remember, I've included a 7-envelope file in the download, to be made using 12 by 12 inches cardstock or paper. This is how our trifold pocket card is finished. Perfect for invitations to mystery dinners, themed parties, role-playing games parties, and just having fun. In the video description, you'll find the link to our Etsy shop Exodus 31 designs or links to our SVG files, our social media, and a video tutorial on how to make the envelope. Thank you for watching our video and for visiting our channel. Subscribe for more creative content like this. See you next time.